In the chapter The Merchant and the Genie, we saw how each of the three men decided to save the merchant's life by telling the genie a story. The story is taken from 1001 Arabian Nights, a collection of Middle Eastern folk tales. The stories are narrated by Sherzadeh, the Sasanian king's wife, for 1001 nights. She would begin a story and would finish it the next day before she began another new story. Stories existed long before history was even written. The forms of storytelling changed throughout the ages. Painting is one such form. Patua painting is a form of scroll painting native to West Bengal. In Bangla, Pat means scroll and Patua means painter. The scrolls narrate mythological and historical stories. This art form is also a part of an elaborate cultural performance where the scroll is unrolled frame by frame while the artist narrates mythological and historical stories through a song. It typically lasts 5 to 15 minutes. The paintings are traditionally made from handmade paper pasted on canvas. The scrolls are typically 8 to 15 feet long and contain vibrantly painted scenes of a mythological or a historical story. Plants, minerals, turmeric, vermilion, and burnt rice are used to create the paint. The Patua artists have practiced this art for centuries. They visit villages and go from house to house with their bag of scrolls and narrate stories while unrolling the scrolls. They get paid in cash or kind for their stories. Do you like listening to stories? Can you think of any other form of storytelling?